So we love to look at smart things here on this channel, and today we have a smart lock. And this is not like any smart lock you've ever seen before. So let me tell you all about it.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name's Danny Black. I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. And if you're new here, don't be a stranger. Also put links to everything down in the description. And if you like smart things, hit that like button. YouTube will keep giving you smart things. And I'm on location. I'm doing something different here, and I am installing this smart lock. And I'm gonna tell you all about how it works. So this comes in from Anona, and it's the Holo Wi-Fi smart lock and keypad set. And here's why it's different from others. If you have a deadbolt already and you don't need to completely change it and have to get new keys, you have this back lock section, and we're just gonna be replacing that. So you install that with just this lock. Oh yeah. It has built-in Wi-Fi, so there's no need for a Wi-Fi bridge. You can unlock this from anywhere with the smartphone app. It has auto lock, so you can set a timer on here or at certain times, making sure that it automatically locks. And you get notifications when someone has opened the lock. You can even connect to your smart home like Siri or Alexa, and you can just say, Alexa, unlock the back door. It takes 4 AA batteries, which are included, and also will last a long time. 4 to 6 months in normal mode, or up to 8 months in low power mode. So that's very convenient, but it even gets more convenient than that. You can pair it with this wireless keypad. And I love that this is wireless because you can either mount it on the wall next to it or kind of anywhere you want, or you can hide it somewhere if you need to. And with the keypad, you can create custom codes for different people. It will let you know who's coming in. You can share the app control with family. You can even make temporary passcodes for guests that are staying, which would be great for Airbnbs. And you can also see a full log of who is entering and what time. But I also love that they have an anti-peep password protection where you can have like 4 numbers that doesn't matter, and then you could put your actual 4 in and then put another random 4. So if someone's watching, they'll see you punch in 12 numbers and they would never be able to replicate that. Go ahead. So it works, it's super simple to install, and check out the link in the description for the current and most up-to-date price. And you can get this in antique silver or obsidian gray. And this is a game changer because it means that you can use your same locks and you don't have to get all new locks and install all new handles and things like that. It's just that simple to set this thing up. And on this channel, I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm just showing you the cool gear that's out there, showing you what it does, highlight the features, and even test them out and share my experience with you. And if you're in the market for something like this, you know where to get it. But this has been a really, really fun product to play with, and I'm loving the smart things. So if you want to see some other cool gadgets, click one of these videos that's right here on the screen, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.